Alright, so this is my experiment with the TPU compatible sealant and a RideNow tube. I primarily still use tubes because I have a ton of bikes, most of which end up sitting here for probably 4 or 5 months without use, so I really don't want to add a whole lot of ongoing maintenance, but I do want to see if I can avoid some of the little wire pinprick flats that I occasionally get. First thing, I use the 25 milliliters for a 25 millimeter tire. I couldn't use the top, it wouldn't go through the RideNow tube, but recommendation I got on Reddit, I tried the Park Tool TS1 or TSI1, and that seemed to get it. So this is an old sacrificial tire and rim that I'm just going to use for the test here. I've got pumped up to almost 100 with the prescribed amount in. So let me see if I can go ahead and find something to poke this tire with and test it out. Okay, let's purposely make ourselves a mess with a thumbtack. This will simulate a nail on the road for me. Okay, that is through to the okay, when I rotate the tire around, you can see a little bead of sealant. And honestly, that is holding air pretty dang well. So, a little bit of stuff through here. Can't quite tell. It's still bubbling a wee bit, but there is a tube inside there, probably some air inside. So let me go ahead and keep working this around. Simulate continuous spinning so it gets a nice little coat of sealant going. Alright, it appears to have stopped bubbling. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave it in here for a couple hours and then come check the pressure. Alright, so a couple hours later, still appear to be holding air. It did drop from 100 down to about 70, but part of that was probably me removing the chuck as well as just air loss sealing. So I mean, not great, but I'd probably be able to finish a ride without even realizing that it was low.